Hello everyone, welcome to our video. In this video, I will be showing you how to use Instagram on a computer. All you have to do is go to your browser and simply type instagram.com. Then log in with your username and password for Instagram. If you do not have an account, all you have to do is sign up from here. This is what happens when you sign into Instagram from a computer. First of all, I will be showing you how to change your profile picture. All you have to do is go to your profile icon tab. There you can see the option of Edit Profile. Click on it. Then click on the option of Change Photo. Then you can choose the photo you like and click Open. Now your profile picture has been uploaded. You can later change the photo in the same way. Now let us talk about various icon tabs. The search icon is where you can search other people's account, just as shown in the video. The explore icon is where you can explore videos and photos of other people. Similarly, you can see short videos from reel icon. The chat icon is where your conversation will be stored. And in the heart icon, you will get a notification when someone likes or comments your post. Then if you click on your profile icon, you can see the details of your own profile. Now let's see how we can upload a photo. Go to the plus icon as shown in the video and select the photo you wish for. Then click Open. Adjust the photo, then click Next. From there, you can edit your photo. After editing, write a suitable caption for your post, your location, and click Share button. There you go, you have successfully uploaded your post. After refreshing, you can see your photo in your profile. Similarly, if you want to upload a video, again go to the plus icon, select a video and click Open. You can also add more video by clicking at the icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then you have to click Next. Edit your video as you wish and write a suitable caption. You also have the option to tag people. After finishing it, share it to your profile. Now let's move on to change your Instagram password. Go to the More icon tab as shown in the video. Go to the settings, click on the Account Center. Go to the Password and Security option and click on Change Password. After that, select your account, type your current password, your new password and retype your new password. Then hit the Change Password button. You have now changed your password. It is simple and easy step. Now I'll show you how to write notes in Instagram from a computer. In order to do so, go to Profile icon tab, click on. On your profile picture, you can see Notes option written. Click on it, then share your thoughts. There you have it. Now let's learn how to post Instagram story from a computer. So in order to post a story, right-click anywhere on the screen and select this Inspect option. Now it's going to open a bunch of code for this website. Click Mobile Device icon at the top of the Inspector menu. Click on Dimension and select the device type you would like to view Instagram as. I'm choosing Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. Refresh your window browser. Once you have done this, you should have the option to add to your story. Now, you simply have to click on your story, select a picture you want, click Open, and then click Add to your story. Now you can see your story on your feed. Now let's move on to logging out of your Instagram account. Go to More icon tab, there you can see the option of logout. Click on it and then you're done. Now lastly, I'll show you how to deactivate your Instagram account. First, log into your account, go to More option on your home page, then go to the settings. After that, click on Account Center, then on Personal Details. After that, choose Account Ownership and Control. click on deactivation, select your account, choose delete account and hit the continue button. After that, type your password and give the reason as for why you are deleting your Instagram account. Now hit the delete account button, and this is how you delete your Instagram account permanently. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and also hit the notification bell.